I can't even see, but hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your Princess Monet. I do want to show you, look, it's finally cured. I started yesterday. I think I mentioned it in my vlog, but I did make a tray. Where do I put it? Where do I put it to show you guys? I'll put it right here. So this is the tray that I made that's gonna go on the table in the waiting room. It's pink with like a pearl color and some gold. Actually, you know what? I'm going over to the store now, so I might as well show you over there again. See what it looks like. Alrighty, so back at it again. Let's see what it looks like. It's so cute. I mean, I would have to put something on it, you know. I'm not gonna leave it just like that, but I think I did such a good job. I think it's so pretty. What do you guys think? Let me know. Not the freaking spraying when I get here. I brought my laptop. I have to finish making the website, so I'm gonna start. Wait, actually, I just remembered that I haven't showed you guys my room, so I gotta do that today. I can just show you right now. Oh wait, no, I did. I showed you in my last vlog. I'm bugging. That spray that we bought yesterday from Glade, whatever that brand is, it smells so good. Also, you guys, I feel so bad. It was raining yesterday, and clearly they got themselves a little spot out here and legit was sleeping. They have a sleeping bag and everything. I mean, listen, I can't even be mad. I just feel bad that somebody clearly doesn't have a home and they felt the need to sleep outside. Alright, so I know I didn't get to film like anything. There's nothing really going on today. I just spent a lot of my time trying to work on the website, so it's gonna be done hopefully by tonight. If not, definitely by tomorrow. What was I gonna say? I do want to show you guys that I would like to add. So I have this from Five Below, and let me move the camera so you guys can see. Matter of fact, it's gonna be over there. So what I'm thinking about doing is doing this, like adding this right here in the corner, like something like this. Of course, I gotta make it stay, but what do you guys think about? I think that'll be super cute. I'm like, can you guys see it? Like right there. And the cool thing about it is that I don't have to plug it. It's just battery, so I can probably, well, most likely I'll just hide it like behind this whole entire thing, and I think that'll look really cute. About to head over to Five Below, and when I get back, if not, I'll do this tomorrow morning. I'm gonna put this on my door and make sure it says Kiara's room. I think that's super cute, and it's in gold, which I showed you guys before. Let me start heading out. Oh, another thing, I do have this, and I don't know exactly where I should place it. I was thinking, let me go outside. I was thinking maybe like over here. Girl, I don't even know. I really want to move that. I don't know if we're able to like put it somewhere like on this corner. Wait, is it zoomed out? Wow, I was zoomed hella in without realizing. But yeah, I'm thinking of putting this over there and having this area like a coffee area, which this is the coffee table. I want to move it over here, have the coffee machine, the tea machine up there with the garbage can directly next to it. And over here I want to put like a cabinet with like a glass door with the key, of course, because it's going to be out in the open, and I do want to put like products to sell. And eventually I would like a TV, which would be right across from this setup. So what do you guys think about that? And I feel like over there is missing something. So if you guys can comment what I should put there, please let me know. And lastly, something like, should I put something there next to the bathroom, or should I just leave it plain white? I'm going to Five Below to return this. Almost forgot about this. I also want a vase to put here, or like a candle. Definitely need like a candle there. What else? Oh yeah, because I did show you, right, that I have those pink flowers. I think it'll look super cute here. I don't know if it's too much pink, or maybe I can put like a little something there. I don't know, you guys. You know what, because people are gonna walk in through here and I want them to have like enough room. So I feel like if I did have a table here, that's doing too much. Yeah, no, that's in the way. I just can maybe hang something up. Okay guys, look, my titi surprised me with a champagne bottle, and it's gold, matches the aesthetic. How cute. Alrighty, can you guys hear the air? Like, the air is pumping right now. Excuse me, the guy just put the air, so the system is running amazing. Feels so good in here. Tomorrow, no, actually later on today, I'm gonna bring over my machines. Also, I actually know somebody who is selling a gold table as well as a gold and white chair. So I'm thinking of returning the chair that's in my, like that little stool that I have in my room, and getting, actually I can show you on my phone the picture that she had sent me. Let's see. So this is what the chair looks like. I'm thinking of putting that in my room. And then she's also selling this, which I'm gonna measure this and most likely place that right over there, which is kind of perfect. I know in my last vlog I was like, let me know what you think will look good there. But in my vision, I felt like I could see a little table, and this is really thin. So I just got to make sure the measurements are great, and then I'm thinking about getting it. And she's also going to sell it to me, both of them, for 100. And I looked up, that chair is like 100 itself, so that's pretty good. And then I'm going to return this little garbage just because people already used it, and to be honest, it's way too small. It's way too small, and I have a big enough area where I can get a bigger garbage. Another thing I want to get is something like, you know those white, what's it called? They're like those white things that go straight down to cover the wires, because I don't want the wire like that. But anyway, I'll update you guys on what else in a few. Okay, so I'm back home. It's finally time to take these machines and bring them to my store. They've been taking up a lot of space in my room, and it was getting quite annoying. I can't wait to bring it over there, make sure everything is clean and ready to go. I'm stressed out because, so the machine, one of the machines is in the back, but I was carrying it to the car, and of course I'm carrying it by myself, and one of the high frequency freaking fell on the floor, and it's glass, so it cracked. And it's like, now I have to order a new one. And I've just been spending money and spending money. Well, everything right now, my bad. What was I saying? Yeah, if I'm being honest, everything has just been going on my credit card. And it's very stressful, but it is what it is. So, yeah. I'm about to make a freaking GoFundMe because of how much in debt I am. But that's why when I start working next week, officially the following week, I just hope make money just to help me like pay my bills for now. I know I'm not gonna get money to like spend on myself, but as long as I can pay my bills, I'll be set. I've been paying all my bills regardless, like with money that I had saved up. What else? I went on live on TikTok, made a couple of dollars there. I got paid a couple of dollars for doing like a review on something, so pretty cool. Alright, anyways, see you guys when I get there. Alright, so let me give you guys a quick little update. I have one of the machines here, the white one. So me and my mom plan on changing the lights in the waiting room. She was gonna help me out because I don't know if you guys, I think in my first or second vlog, the back of the white couches that I bought, they look yellow because of the lighting. We're missing a light like on top of where the neon sign is and on top of the flowers. If there's a light behind there, it makes the couch white as it should be. So let me show you. We're about to like screw everything ourselves, and hold on, I won't show you. So we just got these lights instead of these lights. I don't know if you got, no, you definitely can tell the difference. This one has like a bunch of dots, and then this one is a solid, so it's not as blinding. But the issue is that the top of the couch looks yellow because there's no lighting back there. So we bought the lights and we're gonna start setting them up now. We're such handy women. Right? Basically, we don't need men. We can just do it on our own. Alright, but all those five, for real, Mom? It's screwing into this. I know that. Alright.
He talks many great things about me. Many things.
Psych. We were gonna do it, but this isn't strong enough, so that's the only problem that's stopping us. So I'm just gonna change the lights in the room and forget about this one for now. Okay, so it's like 10 o'clock at night, but I'm here at the store to show you guys. So I did buy this chair off of someone, and I wanted a bigger chair than the stool, the white stool that I had there. I wanted to cover the door. So I do like the way it looks. The only thing is that there is a stain on it. So if I can hopefully, it's like right there, well, it's very noticeable, but if I can hopefully find like white fur somewhere from a fabric store and just, I don't know, like glue it over. Not in that spot, like I wouldn't literally cover the whole thing, because you can take the seat off. I have to screw it back on, but you could take the seat off. So I can definitely cover it. So besides the chair, I also got this gold piece right here, which it actually fits really perfectly. It's like very narrow, which is great because that's exactly what I was looking for. I needed space so people could still walk in, so it's kind of perfect. Love it. So another thing, my machines are here. I brought them in, they were so freaking heavy. But yeah, so we have the steamer, high frequency, and the magnifying glass over here. And then I have my hydrofacial. Definitely has to be clean, but it's so beautiful. I'm obsessed with this machine. What else? I think that's really all I have going on tonight. This is my mirror. I look crazy. I do not even want to show myself, but I do have my white shelves that came in the mail. Of course, when I'm trying to show you, there is a lovely spider. I'm just gonna leave it. So I have 2 shelves that came in the mail. I want to hang them up. Well, my dad's here, so he's gonna help me, but I want to put 2 shelves. No, wait, actually I said I wanted to put 2 shelves over there, but these machines are so high, I don't know. I have to see if I can like reach, but I definitely want 1 shelf over this. Now I don't know, I thought these were gonna be a little bit longer. Let me open it. Another thing, I just carry these right here. They're all my, hello sir, they're all my face masks from SD Max. I have like 2 bags filled of them. But yeah, I'm gonna do the shelves now. Alright, so my shelving is up, and I actually just placed my mask, and I think it looks so good, you guys. Well, I have to move it a little bit to the right at the top, but either way, I think it looks great. And now I want 1 more shelf, a little bit of a longer shelf if I can find. If not, I'll just reorder these shelves that I have now, which they were like $43. Those 2 were $43. But I definitely need one up here so that I can have my face wash, my toner. What else is in there? I know there's a serum in there. Okay, yeah, my skin recovery serum, and then I have a moisturizer, so that will go up there. And to be honest, that's pretty much all I'm doing for tonight. And lastly, before closing out this vlog, I am gonna order, so this is what I'm returning, and then I'm gonna order another fur piece for like $20, and then just either staple it or glue it at the bottom, like hot glue it. But yeah, that's pretty much it. You guys, I'm tired and I'm over it for the night. I'll be back here tomorrow and officially starting next Monday. So I'm getting like all the last minute things done. Like I said, I do need a shelf. It's gonna put the room together. I definitely need to organize tomorrow. If I don't get to do it tomorrow, I'm gonna do it look at me stuttering. I'm so tired. If I don't get to do it tomorrow, I'm gonna do it Wednesday. But I'm gonna end the vlog off here. So hopefully you guys been enjoying these videos, and give this video a thumbs up. Follow me on TikTok and all my other social media. Love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.